Keeping up with our motto, let learning be joy and teaching be a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Keeping up with the motto, let learning be joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Here Mrs. Sonal Shadoshi from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College teaching you all geography today for grade 7 chapter 4 air pressure part 1. You must have heard about this. If I give you a glass of water which is half full of water, then a pessimist say half of the glass is empty. Optimists say half of the glass is filled with water. But I will say half of the glass is filled with water and another half is filled with air. Yes, so today we are going to do about air, and some properties of air, like air is invisible, it occupies space and it has weight. What is air? Air is the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Air contains important substances such as oxygen and nitrogen that most species need to survive. Today we are going to learn one more property of air, but before that let's do one experiment. So this experiment demonstrates the strength of air pressure as it keeps the water in a glass in place even when the glass is turned upside down. This experiment requires a glass, water and a card 4 by 6 inches. The steps are as follows. Fill your glass with water right up to the top. Allow the water to run over so that the lip of the glass is wet. Put the index card over the full glass. Use your hand to press the card down firmly, making a good seal around the glass's wet lip. While working over a sink or tub, hold your card in place with one hand and turn the glass over. Then let go of the card carefully. It will not move and the water will remain inside the glass. This experiment demonstrates that the force that air pressure exerts against the index card is even stronger than the force gravity exerts on the water in the glass. The air pressure keeps the card from moving. So what is air pressure? The air in the atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface of the earth called air pressure. Air pressure is the weight of air molecules pressing down on the earth. There are variations in air pressure. Air pressure is not uniform on all the places on the earth's surface. Air pressure keeps on changing from time to time. Now, which factors affect the air pressure? So, the altitude of a region, temperature of the air, and the amount of water vapor in the air are some factors that influence the air pressure of a region. Number 1. Altitude of a region and air pressure. The proportion of dust in the air, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. is higher in the air closer to the surface of the earth. This proportion decreases with increasing in altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing in altitude. So there is an inverse proportion between altitude of a region and air pressure. As the altitude of a region goes high and high, the air pressure decreases and vice versa. The other factor that is important which affects the air pressure is temperature. As the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expands and becomes lighter. This lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface starts moving up towards the sky. As a result, the air pressure in such areas decreases. So there is an inverse ratio between temperature and air pressure. Higher the temperature, lower the air pressure. Lower the temperature, higher the air pressure. Here we are doing one experiment. Take a flying lantern, tie an approximately 5-meter long thread to the flying lantern so that you can bring the lantern down whenever required. After carefully reading the instructions given on the package of the lantern, open it and light the candle placed in it with the help of your parents. Observe what happens. After some time, bring the lantern down with the help of the thread and put off the candle. Did the flying lantern start ascending immediately after the candle was lit? What would have happened to the flying lantern had the candle got extinguished after the lantern had gone up in the air? So the air in the flying lantern gets heated once the candle is lit. The hot air expands, becomes lighter and starts moving up. Therefore, the lantern is also lifted up towards the sky. In nature too, a similar phenomenon occurs. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Whenever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low and vice versa. Measurement of air pressure. Air pressure or atmospheric pressure is commonly measured with a barometer. In simple barometer or traditional barometer, a column of mercury in a glass tube rises or falls as the weight of the atmosphere changes. So today students, we have done with air pressure. What is the meaning of air pressure? Which factors affect the air pressure in a particular region? And how to measure air pressure. In next session, we are learning about pressure belts on the Earth's surface. Thank you.